Big hi from Miss Moore and my dog. This is Bailey. So I am going to be talking about math with you. So I have some things that you can work on to practice your multiplication skills because we can always use some work in practicing those, and it will help us for things that we will continue to be doing while we are digitally connecting while we're not in school. So I have some IXLs for you to work on. So we've done a lot of the IXLs at our grade level, so we can still use other grades because they have good problems that we can still be practicing. So we're going to be looking at a third grade IXL, so third grade G9, and I will have all of this posted in Shobi along with this video. So G9, so this is multiplication tables up to 10. So this is just going to be practicing your multiplication facts. Try not to use anything when you're doing this, just trying to memorize those facts and knowing your multiplication facts. So work really hard in trying to do your best with those and doing those to practice those facts. And then another IXL that I have for you to work on is in fourth grade, and it is D2. So fourth grade and then D2. It's another multiplication one, but this time you are going to be filling in the missing factor. So you will have a problem where you know the answer and you know one of the factors, and you have to figure out the missing factor. So what times 5 is 45? So you need to be able to figure out that's 9, and you're going to be filling in that missing factor for that IXL. And then I also have this game that I'm putting a link to. It's a cave run multiplication game. So it's going to just be a fun way to practice those multiplication facts. So you play this game, and while you're playing the game, multiplication facts are going to pop up, and in order to continue in the game, you have to get those facts right. So here I have 8 times 3 pop up, and you can get bonus coins for it. So we're just using that to really practice those skills while doing it in a fun way. So you guys can go ahead and play that game, and you can get to a harder level where it goes faster and there's more obstacles. I was playing around with it for a while. It's pretty fun. Then I also have these questions I'm going to give you every day that you can try and answer. So it's a math question, and I'm going to give you a daily math question, and I'll put it on Shobi, and you can go ahead and comment back to me in Shobi, and I can message you and tell you if you got your answer right. So it's just to get you thinking, and sometimes it might be riddles, sometimes it might be a question to go along with what we're working on that day. So this one says, you know that 2 plus 2 comes to the same as 2 times 2, because they're both 4. Now find a set of 3 different whole numbers whose sum is equal to their total when multiplied. So you want to see if you can find 3 different numbers that have the same answer when they're added or multiplied. So that's to really just kind of get you thinking, and then you can just answer that right in Shobi. And then I will message you back on Shobi. So try and work on those IXLs and play that multiplication game. And I will be continuing to give you guys math stuff and checking in with you to practice those skills and do some fun stuff with math.